Hi, I'm Susan, and welcome to Being Mindful. In today's meditation, I thought it might be helpful to focus on a sense of rest, of just being and not doing. This channel is called Being Mindful, and so I thought perhaps this could be a session focused on mindful being. So join me in this time of quiet rest, and let's get started. So as we approach this meditation session, let's begin by just moving in a way that would be comfortable. Stretching, rolling shoulders. Meditation doesn't have to mean that we're still. We can move as long as we're moving intentionally. So let's intentionally get comfortable. As you settle into an alert, upright, yet relaxed posture, I'll invite you to close your eyes if that's comfortable for you. And acclimate to the spaces we occupy. For me, it's a little chilly. I notice that my fingers are cold. And yet where clothing is covering my body, it feels warm. So notice what your skin can feel. The air and clothing. And notice where the body is in contact with the chair or the floor. There may already be competition for your focus through sound or thought. And those things will happen. We can allow them to go on in the background. Just shift the focus to a soft focus on thought or sound and allow our main focus to be on what we can sense with our bodies. Shifting focus now to the breath. And allowing the movement of the breath to help us keep our attention on what's happening from moment to moment. Shifting from an attitude of doing to an attitude of being and resting. Allowing responsibility to slip away as we simply rest. We tap into that inner source of well-being. Thoughts may come and go, and we rest our attention on the breath moving in and out of the body. As we rest and focus on the breath, noticing thoughts that arise or urges to do something when the focus is on being. Noticing if those urges are accompanied by any sort of sensation in the body. And allowing the attention to shift from the breath to how our bodies experience that little discomfort around resting. When the mind wanders, noticing where it's gone and gently leading it back to this moment of rest. As we move toward the end of this time of rest, I'll encourage you to wiggle your fingers and toes. And again, move your body in a way that would feel like a little reward for taking this time. When you're ready, if your eyes have been closed, you can open them and begin to take in more of what you can see with your eyes. Noticing sounds. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope that you have found this to be a peaceful, restful meditation. If this sort of guidance is helpful to you, I hope that you'll consider subscribing, becoming part of the community, and clicking the notification bell so that you can know when something new is available. I love to get likes, of course, and comments are welcome. I really appreciate hearing what kind of experience you had in participating in these meditations. Thanks so much and have a wonderful day.